Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal to reduce fuel consumption and postpone gold purchases, calling the suggestions impractical. He questioned how families planning for weddings or Hindu sacred thread ceremonies could avoid buying gold, saying such purchases are deeply linked to social and cultural traditions. He asked, "How can you tell those planning marriages not to buy gold?" He said, "People will continue to buy gold for marriages, whether through savings, borrowing, or other arrangements, regardless of economic conditions." He also questioned rising fuel prices and said the Prime Minister should first explain the increase before asking citizens to reduce petrol consumption. He added that the government must address the difficulties faced by ordinary people. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had earlier urged citizens to use fuel wisely, postpone gold purchases, and avoid unnecessary foreign travel amid tensions in West Asia. He said such sacrifices should begin with union ministers, central government officials, BJP-ruled states, and party workers. He said they should use public transport first before asking citizens to cut fuel usage, adding one should practice first before preaching to others. He also referred to Modi's COVID-19 pandemic appeals like lighting lamps and clapping, questioning their effectiveness. Meanwhile, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of using street-style rhetoric and damaging the dignity of the Prime Minister's office. He said Modi made statements filled with lies, hatred, and jealousy, and questioned whether he was speaking as Prime Minister, BJP leader, or leader of opposition in Karnataka. Siddaramaiah said earlier, Prime Ministers like Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee never used abusive language against the opposition and maintained dignity. He also questioned Modi's development claims, including the $5 trillion economy promise, and said people are facing rising prices of fuel, gas, and cooking oil. He further criticized India's foreign policy, saying global conflicts involving Israel, the United States, and Iran are affecting the country. On Karnataka's performance, he said the state's per capita income and GDP growth rate are higher than the national average, and its contribution to India's GDP and GST collections is strong. He also alleged internal divisions within the BJP, including factional conflicts against former Chief Minister Yediyurappa and his family. Meanwhile, the BJP clarified that the HAL airport event was not a government function but a party program organized to celebrate victories in Bengal, Puducherry, and Assam. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.